Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel where I do lots of girly and pink fashion videos. Today I'm going to be doing kind of more of like a vlog pack with me because I have a trip that I'm leaving for tomorrow. It's a family, like my yearly holiday trip that I always go to. There's no Christmassy things around, but here's my little tree. It's just out of frame, but it's Christmas time right now. I'm gonna be packing lots of cute cozy things and sharing with you guys like my packing tips and my favorite luggage. I just got this new suitcase, which I'm going to, I have some stuff in it right now. It's not meant to be this heavy. It's super light. The base of it is amazingly light. But this is the suitcase from Level 8, this light powder pink color, super, super cute. And I found this matching tote bag on Amazon that goes with it like perfectly. So I'm using my new luggage today, packing everything in the way I always do, but into my new stuff. I will of course leave links down below for all the luggage and things that I'm packing, so let's get right into it. Okay, first is just deciding what I do and don't need to bring realistically. And I have all my stuff that I would ideally like to fit into my luggage, but I don't think I need everything. I have like my present for the Secret Santa. I need my earmuffs when it's cold out. My ears get so cold. I have my little fanny pack. I'm gonna wear this at the airport, and my little Chanel bag. It doesn't take up that much space, but I did check the weather and it doesn't look like there's going to be any snow. I don't know if there's like a little bit of snow on the ground, but I feel like it's just not quite enough to justify fitting these moon boots. They're like my favorite, but I'll probably have to take these out. I have a few different sweaters that I'm bringing that are cozy and cute for the holidays. This one is my new one from the Tia Boutique called the Cupid sweater because it has the little heart baubles. You can check that out now on the site. That's definitely coming with me. These are my dress options for the little holiday gatherings. This one's really cute, but honestly, I think I wore it last year. Not that my family would remember, but I just want to mix it up a little bit. And I think I'll go with the white and the black one, maybe with like a little red bow. So now that I've decided on what I'm bringing, let's pack the essentials. So I have my little outfits segregated. I don't like to put them in cubes as far as like categories, because I feel like then you have to like open everything up to find a complete outfit. So I like to put them in cubes as outfits. And then I have my little accessories. I'm gonna fill this little jewelry container. Okay, so I'm going to start rolling and packing my outfits into their respective cubes. Shout out to these jeans, by the way. These are fit jeans, and I have a white pair and a light blue pair. They're the only jeans that I wear now. Like nothing compares to the comfort. Tights are going in, dress in. I feel like the Gordon Ramsay of packing right now. Okay, I'm gonna throw the little bow in here because that's part of my holiday looks. And I think that I can fit my accessories on the side here. So I'm gonna use this bag for my extra accessories. I'm gonna be sure I pack this gently. I want lots of padding. I don't want it smashed. My cousin made these cute little bow earrings, and I'm super obsessed with them. I think I honestly, oops, not that way. I might put these inside my little Chanel bag to save space, but also give a little buffer so it doesn't get smashed. There we go. And then I'll just put all that in there. I also have a little pair of heels that I'm packing, and I'm going to use this little cute shoe case here. And those will fit like right in the middle here. Ta-da! Over here is where I'm going to put like some socks and some underwear. So I decided to put them all on the top, so whenever they're used, I put them in the bottom. Just girl problems. Oh wow, that actually zipped pretty easily. Oh my god, okay, this is actually so great. I was expecting that to be way harder. I usually have to sit on my luggage to get it to close. Next up is the tote. It's got lots of space, and it also has this bottom compartment here too. So this bag is going to consist of all my toiletries and my electronics, things that I want to have with me on the airplane. I have my little Nintendo Switch. I am an Animal Crossing girly. Always will be. Of course, gotta take my laptop with me. I love this little carry case for my Dyson. It's so good for traveling. I have this ceramic pink one, and I feel so lucky to have gotten this color. My little travel shampoo and conditioner. And these cute little hair clips. I got my makeup bag, which is pre-built, and it's by Floral by Hand. It's like favorite little bag. My makeup brushes and toothbrush. Next, we are doing some toiletries. This is the little bag I'll be putting it all in. This is one of my favorite little travel hacks, is using your empties that are like cute like this for travel moisturizer or travel face wash. I'm using this one for makeup removers, and this one will be for my face wash. Instead of buying like the $70 like magnetic ones, these are just as cute and you can recycle. So I have my little cotton pads, which I'll just kind of shove those in the bottom. And in layers, kind of like a cake, I add in my makeup remover. I add in a few more. And there you have it. My little portable travel makeup removers. This one is just a face wash for acne, so it has benzoyl peroxide in it. I'm just going to put a little bit in here. And those are ready to go. I'm also bringing a little brush and my toothpaste and pills and floss, my little lip balm, and I always have a claw clip and a scrunchie with me. In the bottom section, I'm going to put my makeup bag, my toiletry bag, and my pajamas. I think it's also reasonable to fit my toothbrush and makeup brushes. In here, I'm going to put my charging stuff. This is my little clutch, like a portable charger. That will all be going into here. My Dyson is also going to go in here. My laptop, my Nintendo, and my headphones. And I love to have like this kind of gap here for my water bottle to sit in, because I use it like a ton. So I'll usually just put my Stanley like on the edge here and just zip it and leave it like that. So this is where it goes on the handle of the suitcase, but this is an actual pocket where I'm putting my phone for sure. My phone is currently recording sound right now, but it's just gonna go right in there like that. This is my little fanny pack. I always love having a fanny pack at the airport just so everything's right on my chest, and I like to just put like my ID and very basic stuff in here. So I put in my wallet, nail file and lip gloss, and some Tums. I like to just keep this like that and consolidate when I need to. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video on packing with me for my yearly family Christmas trip and all the tips on how to overpack for a 3-day trip. But all jokes, a lot of things did fit in here, and I did end up getting that gift fit into my carry-on as well. So I feel like that's a bit of a win, and I will have all the links down below for the luggage and all my little packing supplies. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and give me a follow on Instagram for more like regular posts. But anyway, I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time.